Swerving, how you look so perfect on your worst days. Double C it purchase, you deserve it. Niggas in your DM, they be thirsty. And it
Hey guys, we're gonna vlog today. A day in my ratchet poor school.
Hey guys, welcome back to me screaming.
So disappointing. Okay, so we're doing math. I'm literally just copying her paper because she's smart and I'm not. Okay, y'all, I feel so rich. I got AirPods in, or one AirPod in. They're not hers! Shut up. I realize y'all can't hear the music.
So it's officially nap time. Okay, y'all, update. I got both the earbuds. Baddie. Y'all, I lost the AirPod. Okay, y'all, it's free time. Okay, don't put it on me. Okay, and playing darts.
He's taking the star test.
Favorite cousin. It doesn't look steep on camera, but I swear it is. Look, there's best friend Ben and Holy. Oh yeah.
You have upside down.
Oh, yeah. Sorry. So we're outside now, and Aliyah's being a crackhead, like always.
Yeah.
So,
Should we get the tire?
I'm looking cuter than everybody else. Like crackheads, but it's okay. So I think you're gonna get more views because of me now.
Okay.
And
You're holding it so bad.
oh wait.
You know those people who can't film for shit? That's Geraldine.
That's me.
You'd be trying to do an outfit and she'd be like, look at those shoes! Look at those
Ew, why do I look so gross?
I know, right?
Okay.
Oh my god, look!
Roll down the hill in the grass.
Oh, it's wet?
Yes.
Psych. Look at my Vans! Looks like someone dookied on them. I'm gonna cry. No, it's my vlog! I want a vlog!
Oh guys, welcome
What
back.
is that?
Welcome back to my vlog.
She says I'm a bad vlogger.
Welcome back to my vlog. We're walking around the track. I mean, Aliyah always wants to race, and you're not taking my shoes again because those are way too fucking big for me.
I'll still race.
Funny story, Blitz. She took my shoes, and then I was kicking her Vans off of my feet because they were way too big, and she has tiny feet. The fuck? Yeah, funny story.
She keeps cussing.
Remember, we're gonna.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Kind of wish was out here. We have to bleep his name.
Kind of wish David was out here. I can't believe his name.
Damon.
You suck at recording. No, I don't. I'm better than Geraldine. I'm better than Geraldine, honestly.
Can I see it?
No.
Because you suck at recording. No comment.
No comments.
Rude. They're really out here throwing footballs. Don't even know how to.
Let me see.
Not in the track, on the ground. Me too. Tire. I'm vlogging. Shout out to them.
Oh, you're stupid.
What it is. I think it's for football, but it's my gymnastics bar for now. Nice. Okay, y'all, this is when I die. So.
Bro, I'm hungry. What time is it?
I don't know. I slipped.
It's a fun information. 10:52. Are you okay? Vlog ended.
So I'm pretty sure I have a concussion. My back is probably bruised, broken, you know. The only reason you heard me immediately start laughing is because I was about to cry. And I couldn't believe that. I couldn't believe that I broke it. So we're laying on the hill. Oh, I'm bladed. We're on the hill. Basically, I was on that bar thingy. And I got on. And it just fell.
Well, there wasn't a screw holding it together.
Yeah, there wasn't a screw holding the bar together.
So her fat ass decided to get on it, and then it fell.
We're finna race. Oh, sis, what is that form? What is this? What is this? Why, what is that form? I'm done. We're cute. I'm cute. I don't know about her. I'm a great friend. Nope.
That kind of hurted me though, cause it's like, why would you think that?
Okay, so we're at lunch. I dropped my straw. Well, I had spaghetti tacos, but I didn't eat the shell. So, we got new silverware, I guess. We'll check it out. What? Compared to this trash. First time eating with you. Yeah. New plastic poultry. I don't know what it's called. Oh boy, this plasticware. It's so short. Look. Oh, that. Oh, that. Mommy. What is this? Here's the mother tea. So, we're outside. Again, I'm finna get a concussion part 2. This is it. This is our skate park. Red.
Take one. There's no point in going like this.
Yep. So they got rats. Yeah, but most of them are over there. Oh my god. Bet. I can't. You think I can? I'm getting claustrophobic. That's not my. Oh, sis. I'm claustrophobic. I can't do that. Oh. Yeah, that's too tight. That's actually scary. Straightforward.
Get like this, and I just look like that.
Ooh, gang signs. Nowhere. I was joking. Okay, y'all. So I put my phone. It was uneven on the fence. Like, there's no way it would be even. I don't know. That's as even as it'll get. Put my phone on the fence. Kind of worked. This is nice.
I want to plant these. I took them from the ground to put them in the ground.
Dude, this is like the spikiest ground. So, you probably can't hear me very well, but it's fine. That's our ratchet school. Ratchet cars that belong to ratchet teachers. Ratchet soccer goal.
And then our ratchet students.
Ratchet trees up here. Ratchet ground.
You can't see
Grass.
them.
Ratchet mud.
Kind of ratchet.
Just a little bit.
Ratchet
Ratchet
leaves.
lighting.
Ratchet flowers.
Dude, there's ratchet people coming over here. Okay. But yeah, that's our ratchet school. So I saw my friend's phone, my new best friend's phone, and he doesn't have a password or anything. He's kind of stupid. He has a fake. Ooh, almost dropped it. Ah! There's a fake Gucci case. That's correct. Okay, y'all. So we're gonna go to class now. And yeah, I guess that's the end.
These shoes aren't big.
Ugly. That's the end of this vlog. Okay, y'all. So I forgot to film my outro. I think.
No, you did.
Please like and subscribe.
Crackhead ass.
If you're from my school, please don't expose me.
If you want me to make a YouTube channel, leave it in the comments if you don't disable them.
Bye.
No balls.